Today I am checking out this reciprocating saw that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of this case and see everything that it comes with. And this is everything that came out of the case. Of course, you get this case. It's actually really nice. It has compartments and everything in it so you can hold the batteries and all the pieces. You got a battery charger, a nice 5 amp hour battery. It says lithium max. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 saw blades. Of course, this nice handheld reciprocating saw and the manual. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this battery fully charged so we can test out this saw. All right, so I've got the battery all charged up. I'm gonna get this handheld reciprocating saw. We're gonna put the blade in it. Blade is really easy to put in these things. You just twist the head of these, slide the blade in the head like that, and then you let go, move it around a little bit, make sure this comes back just because you want it to snap into place, and that's it. When you're cutting, it's also good to know that you want to use this against the wood to keep it from kicking back. You want to put whatever you're cutting right up against this to make it cut a lot easier. And of course, you need to put your battery in. This thing is ready to cut. I have a board here locked in that I plan on cutting just that edge off there, and I just want to see how well it's going to do. You can cut straight across like this if you want. Sometimes I cut at an angle to get it started, but we're gonna just go straight across and see what it does. Very nice clean cut. A reciprocating saw is probably one of my favorite saws. It's a good medium, like jack of all trades type of saws. You can cut wood with it. You can cut shrubs, trees, branches. I mean, when I'm looking to cut something, I'm looking for a reciprocating saw. And this one is really nice. And for the price, it's hard to beat. So I really do like it. I think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.